Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to fix a corrupted USB flash drive. So now let's go. I'm going to plug in my USB flash drive. So as you can see, corrupted, not working, not working. So now our first step, we open command prompt. In opening this icon, you don't need to left click on it, you rather have to right click to run it as administrator, just like this. See, just run it as administrator. Yes, okay. So now this is our command prompt. This is our command prompt. So now our first step, we are just going to type in diskpart. Don't worry, I'll put all the steps in the description below. This is going to be a little bit long, but very easy. I'll put all the steps in the description below. So I'm going to type in diskpart. Second step, we are going to type in list disk. So as you can see, disk 1 is my USB flash drive, which is 15 gigabytes. The next step, I'm going to type in select disk 1. You're actually going to select your disk, your flash drive, which is disk 1 as my own. So type in select disk 1. Just type in select disk 1. And next step, I'm going to type in detail disk. So we are typing in detail disk. As you can see, these are all the details about your USB drive. So now the next step, I'm going to type in select volume 4. Select volume 4. You're going to type in select volume 4. As you can see, volume 4. The next step, you're going to type in detail volume. Detail volume. As you can see, these are the details. The next step, I'm going to type in detail partition. Detail partition. Next step, select. I'm going to type in select volume. Volume 4 is a selected volume, as you can see. Now I'm going to type in clean. This part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Yes. The next step, we are going to type in create partition primary. Create partition primary. Create partition primary. So as you can see it now, the next step, just going to type in active. Our next step, select, going to type in select partition. Select partition. See, next step, we are again going to type in active. Our next step, we are going to type in format fs equal to fat32 quick. Format fx equal to fat32 quick. So don't worry, all these are going to be in the description below. Go to fat32 quick. Yeah, as you can see, diskpart successfully formatted the volume. So now we are going to assign. As you can see, go to assign, then exit. Type in exit. We finished. That's all. So now we're going to check our USB flash drive. As you can see, let's move to my computer. Now this is our USB flash drive working correctly. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.